Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will convert some of the important present words into their past forms. Verb tenses are essential for speaking English correctly. But with all the different forms and functions, they can get confusing. In this video, we will give a quick overview of how to convert present tense into past tense. The past tense in English is used to talk about the past, to talk about hypothesis, while the standard tense in English is the present tense, which is usually the root form of the verb. The past tense often require changes or additions to the root form. Now, let's get started with the video. The first words are am, is or are. In past tense, we will write was or were. Next words, has or have. For have or has, we will write had in past tense. Next words are do or does. In past tense, we will write do or does as did. Next word is will. The past tense of will is would. Next word is shall. The past tense of the word shall is should. Next word is can. Its past tense is could. Next word is may. The past tense of the word may is might. Next word is go. The past tense of go is went. Next word is come. Its past tense is came. Next word is say. The past tense of say is said. Next word is tell. Its past tense is told. Next word is ask. Its past tense is asked. Next word is explain. The past tense of the word explain is explained. Next word is begin. Its past tense is began. Next word is start. Its past tense is started. Next word is finish. Its past tense is finished. Next word is work. Its past tense is worked. Next word is play. Its past tense is played. Next word is write. Its past tense is wrote. Next word is watch. Its past tense is watched. Next word is speak. The past tense of the word speak is spoke. Next word is listen. Its past tense is listened. Next word is live. The past tense of the word live is lived. Next word is study. The past tense is studied. Next word is eat. Its past tense is ate. Next word is drink. The past tense of the word drink is drank. Next word is take. The past tense of the word take is took. Next word is give. Its past tense is gave.